Hi everyone, June here from Zaige. So today I'm very excited to share with you some really exciting updates that we have within the Zaige app, and I will walk you through each of these, and hopefully you can benefit from this and your business. So let's get started. Okay, so the first update is the improvement on the contact view interface. So if you go to the contacts menu and navigate one of your contacts customer, so let's say Christian, and click on this icon right here, you will see an improvement of the user interface. So here you have the first name, and then you also have here their unique code and their mobile number and other details, right? You can also see the status of this particular customer, if they are an active or inactive customer, and their current segmentation. So whether they're new, they're growing, or they're loyal customers. You can also see here a snapshot of the campaign that they're currently in, the number of visits to your store, the total spent on your store, and the total points that they have accumulated, as well as the summary of the last 4 visits and some notes that have been added to that, and also the campaigns that these customers are currently engaged in. So you can see here that for these 2 campaigns, they did not avail, but for the recent campaign, they've availed, right? And you can also add more notes here. Another notable change is that you can also edit directly from the contact view interface, which is a feature not available before. Let's say, for example, you have mistakenly input their name. You can easily edit that by clicking on the pencil button. You can also add their emails, their address, their gender, and more notes. So this contact view interface has also been optimized for mobile viewing. So if you use your phone to access the app, you can just easily go to contacts, and let's say you're viewing Christian again. So just drag the screen over to the right. So here you go. So you can see that the contact view interface has also been optimized for mobile viewing. So you can also do the functionalities such as edit by clicking on the pencil button, edit the contacts here, and add more details. There you go. We've also released an improvement in the campaign view interface. So if you go to campaigns menu and click on this view icon, you can see more details of the campaign, such as the campaign type, the channel, the status, the return, the success rate, and the actual message that this campaign used. So if this campaign is successful, you can just replicate this by easily copying and paste the same message to another campaign. The list of recipients that received this actual campaign can now also be viewed within the campaign details. So you can see here all of those customers that have received the campaign. You can see their customer code and the total number of visits to your store. Alright, and last but not the least, and this is what I'm very excited about, multiple sender IDs. You can now nominate multiple sender IDs for your merchant account. So if you're running multiple businesses and you want to allocate certain sender IDs and use the same database that you have collected for your entire business, that is now something you can do within our platform. Let me show you how it works. So let's head over to the settings menu, and under the setup tab, you can add another sender IDs. So just click on the request sender ID, and you'll go through the same process again of requesting sender IDs. And once that is approved, you'll see the status here as active. So in this particular account, for example, we have Prior Events as an active sender ID, and we also have Flaming Grid as an active sender ID. Please take note that all active sender IDs will have 100 credits charged per month. But what that means is that if you go over to the contacts menu, and you can see that this account is under Flaming Grid, but let's say, for example, I want to run a campaign, but I want that campaign to be associated with the Prior Events business. So all I have to do is first select the contact, create campaign. Then from here, you can see that the drop down, there's now 2 available sender IDs. So whenever a recipient receives this message, it will now reflect the sender ID that you have selected. So that's it. I hope you see value in this update. We're looking forward to building more features that will help you grow your customer base. And one that I'm very, very much excited about is the Spaces feature, which allows you to add multiple stores in the same merchant account. We hope to be deploying that feature anytime soon in the coming months. So until our next update.